How to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing in your phone's contact list on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get your contacts syncing properly again. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Accounts and Backup. Then tap Manage Accounts. After that, find and tap on your WhatsApp account from the list. At this point, tap Account Sync and make sure the toggle for contacts is turned on. Following this, tap Sync Now to force a manual sync and give it a moment to complete. Once done, open your Contacts app and check if your WhatsApp contacts are now showing up. If the issue persists, there's another thing worth trying. Long press the WhatsApp icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. From there, tap Permissions and make sure Contacts permission is turned on. If it's off, WhatsApp won't be able to read or sync your contacts at all. After that, go back and tap Storage, then tap Clear Cache. At this stage, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Finally, once your device boots back up, open WhatsApp and check if your contacts are now appearing correctly in your phone's contact list. That's how you fix WhatsApp contacts not showing on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. Catch you in the next one.